The real secret of wealth. Yes, the real secret of wealth. Did you know that Babylon was the richest city in the ancient world? But its people weren't born rich. They followed some golden rules, which helped them become wealthy. Today, we'll learn those same 7 rules that even an ordinary person can follow to become the richest person in Babylon. And the good news is, these rules are still just as effective today. Rule number 1. Save at least 10% of your earnings first. If you don't save even 10% of your earnings, no matter how much you earn, you can never become rich. When Akkad decided to become rich, he started setting aside 10% of every earning. Gradually, this amount increased so much that he started investing it, and his wealth continued to grow. For example, Ravi used to earn 50,000 rupees and spend it all. But after adopting the rule of saving 10%, he started saving 5,000 rupees every month. In 5 years, this amount became 300,000 rupees, with which he started his first investment plan. Rule number 2. Let your money grow. For example, Seema was a college student. She started saving 500 rupees a month from her pocket money and saved 30,000 rupees in 5 years, which she used to buy a new laptop. Just saving won't do anything. You need to know how to grow your money. Akkad lent his savings to a merchant who returned it with interest. This way, his money started growing on its own. For example, Ajay and Vinod both save 10,000 rupees a month. Ajay keeps it in the bank, while Vinod invests it in a SIP, systematic investment plan. After 20 years, Ajay will have 2,400,000 rupees, but Vinod will have 1 crore rupees, 10 million rupees. Similarly, instead of putting 100,000 rupees in a fixed deposit, Neha invested it in stocks and mutual funds. In a few years, her amount became 300,000 rupees. Rule number 3. All that glitters is not gold, so think before investing. Akkad's friend gave money to a fake jewelry merchant and lost all his money. Then Akkad learned one should consult an expert before investing. For example, Santosh invested 50,000 rupees in a double your money in 3 months scheme he saw on social media and got scammed. But Radhika took the help of a financial advisor before investing and made a solid investment plan which allowed her to grow her wealth without any losses. Rule number 4. Increase your income. For example, Mohit was a graphic designer. He learned freelancing and digital marketing and increased his income from 30,000 to 100,000. Similarly, Sarita started giving online tuition along with her job, which gave her an extra income of 20,000. Rule number 5. Plan for the future. For example, Anish invested in PPF, Public Provident Fund, and mutual funds at the age of 25. By the age of 60, he will have 3 crore rupees, 30 million rupees. Similarly, Karan didn't plan for retirement and faced financial difficulties after 60. Rule number 6. Think before buying a house. For example, Ajay bought a house worth 80 lakh rupees, 800,000 rupees, without thinking, and now his entire salary goes towards the EMI, equated monthly installment. Similarly, Sumit first saved for the down payment, chose the right location, and increased his income before buying a house. Now his EMI is only 30% of his salary, and he can invest the rest of the money too. Rule number 7 and the final rule. Help others. For example, Sanjana spends 5% of her salary on the education of poor children. This benefits society and gives her peace of mind. Similarly, billionaires like Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, and Ratan Tata also donate a large portion of their wealth. If you liked this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Ask us your questions and thoughts in the comments. This information is for educational purposes only. Be sure to consult your financial advisor before investing.